OnePlus continues to expand its flagship lineup in India, and the next edition may already be right around the corner. After rolling out the flagship OnePlus 15 and following it up with the more value-focused OnePlus 15R, the company now appears to be preparing a third premium smartphone for the Indian market. This upcoming device is widely believed to be the OnePlus 15s. The first concrete hint comes from the Bureau of Indian Standards database, where a new OnePlus handset carrying the model number CPH2793 has been spotted. While the listing itself doesn't reveal any specifications or design details, BIS certification is a crucial regulatory step and typically signals that a device is nearing its official India launch. Adding weight to the listing, an ex-user identified as KPGC10 Kai claims that the CPH2793 model number belongs to the OnePlus 15s. If this information is accurate, OnePlus is clearly planning to expand the OnePlus 15 series into a 3-device lineup, offering buyers more choice at the premium end of the market. From a strategy standpoint, this move makes perfect sense. OnePlus has been shifting away from a one-size-fits-all flagship approach and instead building a layered portfolio. The standard OnePlus 15 caters to users who want the full flagship experience, while the 15R targets performance-focused buyers at a slightly lower price point. The OnePlus 15s, meanwhile, is expected to slot in as a compact yet uncompromising flagship. The S branding strongly suggests refinement rather than reinvention. Based on OnePlus's recent design philosophy, the OnePlus 15s is likely to focus on delivering top-tier performance and premium features in a smaller, more manageable body. This is an area where demand has been steadily growing, as many users want flagship power without carrying a large, heavy smartphone. Importantly, the previous compact OnePlus flagship proved that a smaller phone doesn't need to cut corners. It delivered flagship-grade performance, strong cameras, fast charging, and a premium display, all in a size that was easier to handle one-handed. If OnePlus follows the same formula, the OnePlus 15s could appeal strongly to users who prioritize comfort without sacrificing specs. As of now, OnePlus has not officially confirmed the device, and details like pricing, specifications, and launch timing remain under wraps. That said, BIS certification is a strong indicator that the launch is on the horizon. With OnePlus's typical release patterns, more leaks and official teasers are likely to surface soon. If executed well, the OnePlus 15s could emerge as one of the most compelling compact flagships in India, combining premium hardware, flagship performance, and a smaller footprint that many users have been asking for. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15s? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.